Hey Ken, this is Brandon Rutherford at Jimmy Britt Chevy. I'm going to give you a quick walk around of the brand new 2016 Buick Cascada you inquired about. You see that beautiful light blue paint on the exterior there, 20-inch wheels on the side, black soft convertible power top, power passenger seat with the black leather interior. Cruise around here to the back, show you the stylish rear end with the dual exhaust there, backup camera. Step into the driver's seat, power windows and door locks, power side view mirror. Both front seats are heated. Got your CD player right there, dual climate control. There's the heated seats. Show you that backup camera. You can see forward collision alert, keeps you from rear-ending somebody, helps with that.
This vehicle is in demonstration mode.
Navigation,
High-speed 4G connection. Pressable on
Bluetooth for your phone, hands-free calling, heated steering wheel. This thing's loaded up. The only thing that's missing is you. Just give me, Brandon Rutherford, a call, 706-453-2500. I'll schedule you a test drive for this 2016 Buick Cascada.